This is Itunova Piano Pastor. So today I want to show you understanding the F minor. I realize that some people do not realize F minor because when they hear F minor, some of you may think like me, you will think that this is F minor. But this is the original F minor. Now, how to form F minor? I will show you the secret behind the theory behind it. First of all, I'm playing on F. I did this F, right? That is F. Now, if I flat my third note, which is F, G, A, if I flat it to A flat, it will be me F minor. I did the minor on my first video. Go and check it. That is the one that I did last. I thought this is F minor. No, that is not original F minor. This is D minor because this is D major. When I flat the third note, it give me minor. Likewise, the application applied to this also. So this is F minor. F minor is that flat the third one. That is 1, 2, 3, flat it. That is your F minor. So it's just like you are playing on A flat or G sharp. So you get it. Now give me F minor. Do you get it? Now, on this F minor, you can do so many things. You can. I will make sure I build on it. So that I've already did one. That the first one is D minor, not F minor. But the reason why I call it F minor is that because I'm playing on F, and chord 6 is a minor, and chord 2 is a minor, chord 3 is a minor on key F. That is why I call it minor, because I'm key F. But the original F minor is flat third. So they call it, another way to call it, relative minor. So get it? They call it relative minor. So on this. So this the way I did on my first one on F, D minor rather. Now on this, on my next video, I will take you more further. So we do a jamming on it. So don't forget, F minor is flat third note.